In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have Grammarly running inside Word on the web so it can catch typos, grammar slips, and style issues as you write. First, open Microsoft Office online in your web browser. Use any modern browser and head to the official Office site. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular Microsoft account so you can access your apps and documents. Once the Office homepage loads, look for the Word icon and open it. This takes you into Word for the web, which is perfect for quickly adding and managing add-ins. Next, start a new blank document. Choose the blank template so there's nothing in your way. This makes it easier to see Grammarly appear as soon as we add it. At the top of the screen, make sure you're on the Home tab. That's where the controls we want are located in Word Online. If you don't see the full ribbon, expand it so all the options are visible. Now, find the Add-ins option on the Home ribbon and click it. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as Add-ins, Get Add-ins, or be tucked behind a three-dot More menu. If it's not obvious, widen your browser window or open the More menu to reveal it. When the Office add-ins window appears, use the search box and type Grammarly. You should see the Grammarly add-in for Microsoft Word show up in the results. Check that it's the official listing so you know you're getting the correct tool. Click Add. Word may show a quick permissions prompt. Go ahead and confirm. In a moment, Grammarly will load in a panel on the right side of your document. If the panel doesn't appear immediately, give it a second to finish initializing. You might also see a quick welcome message or an option to get started. From here, Grammarly will begin analyzing your text. If your page is empty, type a sentence or paste some text to see suggestions appear. You can click a suggestion to apply it or dismiss it if it doesn't fit your intent. For a cleaner workspace, you can pin or unpin the Grammarly panel and you can adjust its checks to focus on grammar, spelling, or clarity. The free version covers core writing issues and you can always explore additional options later if you need them. That's it. You opened Microsoft Office online, launched Word, created a blank document, went to the home menu, opened add-ins, searched for Grammarly, and clicked Add. Enjoy smoother, more confident writing right inside Word for the web.